Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will discuss the system variable of AutoCAD remember folder. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So guys, in AutoCAD, making drawings and saving those in specific folders and open or insert AutoCAD files from some folders, we use the system variable. If we want a specific folder where I save my drawing and open the last folder which I opened earlier, and for that we change the value, and for system variable type MEMBER remember folder and press enter. By default the value is set on 0. We change it to 1 and press enter. And how we see the change? First we save this drawing on document and save this file as a 01 file and click on save. If I close my drawing and open a new drawing, and if I draw my objects like this, and if I want to save it, then if I click on save, then you can see the last folder location that we use for the recent drawing. I open my drawing and change the location, save as. Now I save it on desktop 01 folder and click on save. Now if I open new drawing and save it, now you can see it remember the last folder location. So guys, in this way we use the remember folder system variable. I hope you like this video, and guys, if you have any question related to AutoCAD, then please contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.